Welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best meat grinders available today. Whether you're a home cook or a professional, these meat grinders are designed to meet all your grinding needs. Let's take a closer look at each model and find the perfect one for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more kitchen appliance reviews and tips. First up, we have the KitchenAid KSMMGA metal food grinder attachment. This sleek silver grinder connects to any KitchenAid Stand Mixer power hub, using the mixer's motor to power the grinder. It's compact and lightweight, making it perfect for any kitchen. It comes with fine, medium, and coarse grinding plates, along with 2 sausage stuffer tubes, providing endless possibilities for creating fresh, inventive foods. The larger food tray allows you to process more ingredients in one batch, saving you prep time. Plus, the entire grinder can be pre-chilled for a neat, clean grind every time, and it packs neatly into its own storage case for easy access and organization. Next, we have the Turboforce 3000 Series 6-in-1 electric meat grinder by St. Cross International. This powerful grinder is designed for home use, but offers a robust 3,000 watts of locked motor power. With a larger meat hopper that holds up to 3 pounds of prepped meat, this grinder can handle between 180 and 240 pounds of meat per hour. Included are 3 stainless steel cutting blades, 3 grinding plates, a sausage stuffing plate, 3 sausage stuffing tubes, a cub maker, a foot pedal, 2 meat claws, and a 3-in-1 burger and slider maker press. Perfect for heavy-duty grinding, the Turboforce 3000 is your go-to for large batches. However, note that it is not intended for commercial use and should not be used to grind bones, vegetables, or nuts. Our third contender is the Yabano meat grinder, boasting a peak power of 2,600 watts. This CDL-approved grinder is designed for heavy-duty home use. It includes 3 grinding plates, 2 blades, a food pusher, and a set of cup and sausage accessories. The grinder's auger design reduces heat to lock in nutrients and maintain the meat's integrity. Easy to operate and clean, the Yabano grinder ensures fresh and healthy ground meat every time. Just remember, it's not dishwasher safe. Next is the Yabano electric meat grinder. With 450 watts of power, this grinder is perfect for quickly grinding bulk batches of meat. It comes with 2 grinder plates for different textures, a sausage and cup attachment, and features safety designs like a locking knob and overload protection. Easy to disassemble and clean, this grinder is a user-friendly option for any home kitchen. For those who need a more rugged option, the Lem Products Big Bite #8 meat grinder is a powerhouse with a 50 HP motor, perfect for regular use. It processes approximately 7 pounds of meat per minute, making it ideal for small to medium grinding tasks, and is equipped with a circuit breaker for added safety. Included are 3 stainless steel plates, a meat stomper, a stainless steel knife, 3 plastic stuffing tubes, and a bushing removal tool. For commercial use, the HappyByCommercial meat grinder is a top choice. With an impressive 1100 watts of power, it can grind up to 550 pounds of meat per hour. Made of stainless steel, it's designed for durability and easy cleaning. It includes 2 grinding plates and can handle even small bones. Perfect for restaurants and large-scale operations. This grinder ensures high performance and efficiency. Another powerful commercial option is the Tonola Commercial meat grinder. With a 1.5 HP motor and 1100 watts, it can grind up to 551 pounds of meat per hour. It features a steel gear-driven mechanism for smooth operation and includes 2 grinding plates, 2 blades, a spiral cutting head, and a food pusher. With easy operation and maintenance, the Tonola grinder is perfect for various commercial settings. Lastly, we have the Loi MAA meat grinder, designed for both home and light commercial use. With a powerful motor reaching up to 2,600 watts, it can process various meats efficiently. It includes 3 grinding plates, a set of cup-in sausage attachments, and a food pusher. All parts are made of food-grade materials, ensuring safety and health. Easy to clean and maintain, the Loi MAA grinder comes with a 1-year warranty and 24/7 customer support. Each of these meat grinders offers unique features and capabilities. Whether you need a compact grinder for home use or a powerful machine for commercial purposes, there's something here for everyone. Thank you for watching and happy grinding!